You know, we are promoting culture as an Idoma elder statement.
Yes.
Our culture, those things we know, gradually.
Idoma, the present Idoma is Idoma of once upon a time, long time ago.
How do we bring back?
Long time ago. Only came, I don't know, Kahini. It's no more.
About the
Then I now said, you now come to your real, you now agree with your stupidity. You must announce your stupidity. I'm a stupid man, I'm a failure. Anybody who says he is a failure is somebody who is looking for the greatest height. Do this to me. But so long as we don't accept our failure, we are not ready to make a move yet. We are just procrastinators. You don't have our procrastinators. You must accept your wrong, individually or collectively. No wonder Peter once said, for I have come to realize that God is not a respecter of a person, but in every nation he that feareth him and walketh righteously is acceptable unto God. Acts 10:34. The repentance is what? Acceptance of your stupidity. Acceptance of your life. Acceptance of my idiotic behavior. I must say it, I'm Alhaji. I am idiot. Forgive me. I'm an idiot. I'm ready to go far. I am ready to go far. Don't lose sight of me. Never you lose sight of me. Any man who tells you that he has come to realize he's stupid, he's a fool, hold him tight. Don't let him go. It's a precious stone. But anybody will tell you, I do you know me? Do you know me? I'm a PhD. I'm a lawyer. I'm a this. I'm an engineer. Step back. And when I will, that man is worse than a venomous snake. Nothing good in him. He's just an empty carcass. He knows make a vessel. It's nobody. It's just like a shit. A dry shit for that matter. For us, the children. Those that speak Idoma too much. You speaking Idoma is the basis for a better society. You speaking Idoma, the basis for speaking for a better Idoma society. I'm asking you. Because you can speak Idoma. So the society is good, or translate to goodness in the society? No. No. We need a good foundation. You can't build something on nothing and expect it to stand. That unity must first be laid. That togetherness must first be employed. Then all other things shall take care of itself. Are you forgotten? The Bible tells you, think not about tomorrow. Tomorrow will take care of itself. What you eat, what you wear, all those things are nonsense. These are ambience of life, it doesn't matter. But the Bible tells you, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all its righteousness, and all other things, including Idoma, shall be added unto you. Matthew 6:34 to be precise. If your son is in Lagos now, will you tell your children to come to Idoma land? in a festive period like this, we don't allow them. When there are court boys, when there are kidnappers, when your neighbor is ready to sell you out, that your son or your daughter is at home now, they will ambush and kidnap him or her. The kind of society you want us to build. Let us come together, men of wisdom, not men with degree. You want men with degree. The society want men with understanding. How many wise men were there? And who is that wise man that you saw there? Not this foolish of people who call themselves generals, who call themselves lawyers, who call themselves doctors, who call themselves professors. All from the sea.